Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays for the mirrors are located on Jeep Cherokee. We're talking about that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts tools diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and after that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The mirror fuse, where you can expect to find them. We will guys demonstrate on that generation Jeep Cherokee. Quick advice from us, guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead, guys, and open the hood, and facing the engine on the right side here, that's the driver's side, you have a fuse box right here. Squeeze the tabs together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Guys, before we continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Now here we need to check one fuse that's known as CB3. Okay, right here, that's for the power windows and mirrors as well. That fuse right here, guys. Also the mirrors will go in another fuse box and check another fuse, but you may need to check your BCM body control module fuses, and we're talking about fuse number 23 right here. Then you need to locate fuse. Some of you may have fuse number 34. Here you have 5 fuses in a row. It will be, guys, the fourth from left to right. Okay, number 34. Not all cars will have that one. Then you need to check fuse number 41 right here and fuse number 54 over here. Now, after that, you need to open the driver door, and on the side of the steering wheel where the headlight switch is located, guys, you see your headlight switch right here. Let me get a better view so you can clearly see there. Underneath you have that storage compartment that you open. When you open it, you can squish on the sides and pull it more down, and behind it you have another hidden fuse box here, and specifically here you may have, some models may have another fuse that will be known as fuse number 51. It will be the third fuse right here. If you don't have it, that's fine, guys. Now, mirrors, guys, are hard to, okay, sometimes they won't have a specifically dedicated fuse. You need to check the power windows fuses, usually the one that we mentioned. But if you guys have a problem where a mirror does not work, we have a special video on our YouTube channel that will explain why mirror does not work on Jeep Cherokee. Check it out and it will teach you step by step what you need to check. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.